students, welcome to the online video class. Today we are going to learn about the second chapter, fractions and decimals, class 7th. In previous video we have already discussed about the types of fractions, what is mean by fraction, and exercise 2.1 question number 1. In today's video we will discuss the next question of this chapter exercise. Okay, now next question is, arrange the following in descending orders. Arrange the following fraction number in descending order. So first question is, first fraction number is 2 by 9, 2 by second is 2 by 3, 8 by 21. In this fraction number, 2 is numerator, 9 is denominator, 2 is numerator, 3 is denominator, 8 is numerator and 21 is denominators. So arrange this in descending order. So what is meant by descending order? Descending order means greatest to smallest. Descending order means greatest to smallest. So इस 3 नंबर में से जो भी ग्रेटेस्ट फ्रैक्शन नंबर है वो हम पहले राइट करेंगे, उसके बाद उससे छोटा, उसके बाद लास्ट सबसे स्मॉल नंबर. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. Here the 2 by 9, 2 by 3 and 8 by 21 is a fraction numbers. So how to identify which is a greatest rational number? So हम ऐसे बता नहीं सकते डायरेक्टली कौन सा रैशनल फ्रैक्शन नंबर ग्रेटर है. इसके लिए हमें क्या करना होगा, पहले मेक द डिनोमिनेटर सेम. तीनों का डिनोमिनेटर हमें क्या करना होगा, सेम. देन वी हैव टू राइट हियर 2 by 9. देन नेक्स्ट इज 2 by 9, 2 by 3 and last is 8 upon 21. So how to make the denominator is same. Denominator same कैसे करना है, जो तीनों का डिनोमिनेटर है 9, 3 and 21. So 9, 3 और 21 के टेबल में कौन सा ऐसा नंबर है जो सेम है, या इसका हम डिनोमिनेटर का एलसीएम भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो एलसीएम कैसे फाइंड करना है, एलसीएम हम कैसे फाइंड करते हैं, एलसीएम इज इक्वल टू 9, second number is 3 and last number is 21. This is a LCM. So ये तीनों नंबर को कौन से नंबर से हम मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, 3 से. 3 3 जा 9, 3 1 जा 3, 3 7 जा 21. यहाँ पे 3 जा, अब इस 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो 3 1 जा 3, यहाँ पे 1, सो 7 अगेन, सॉरी 1. अब ये 1 हो गया, ये 1 हो गया, अब ये 7 रह गया. सो 7 1 जा 7. So what is the LCM? LCM is equal to इसका और इसका मल्टीप्लीकेशन राइट करेंगे. 3 मल्टीप्लाई 3 मल्टीप्लाई 7. So 3 3 जा 9, 9 मल्टीप्लाई 7, 9 7 जा 63. यानी LCM is 63. That's why we make the denominator all three numbers 63. हमें तीनों का डिनोमिनेटर क्या करना है, 63 करना है. ओके, सो 63, इसका भी हमें क्या करना है, डिनोमिनेटर 63 करना है. सो 2 अपॉन 9. सो 2 और 9 को कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर 63 आएगा, 9 7 जा 63. सो यहाँ वी हैव मल्टीप्लाई हियर 7, देन अगेन वी मल्टीप्लाई डिनोमिनेटर 7. देन 2 by 3 मल्टीप्लाई. सो 3 से कौन से नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करने का 63 आएगा, 63 को 3 से डिवाइड करो. 3 2 जा 6 and 3 1 जा 3, 21. So here we multiply 21. Then last is 81 upon 21. So 21 multiply 21 को कौन से नंबर से, 3. Then here multiply 22 and then write the multiple. 7 2 जा 14, 21 2 जा 42, 8 3 जा 24. और यहाँ पे हमारा डिनोमिनेटर सेम हुआ है. LCM we have to write in your notebook. Then नेक्स्ट है, अब हमें कौन सा फ्रैक्शन नंबर मिले, 14 अपॉन 63. नेक्स्ट इज 42 अपॉन 63 एंड 24 अपॉन 63. अब हम इसको डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में राइट कर सकते. डिनोमिनेटर इज सेम ऑल दिस फ्रैक्शन नंबर, देन ओनली सी द न्यूमरेटर विच इज अ ग्रेटर. सो 42 इज अ ग्रेटर. दैट्स व्हाई डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर DO means descending order is first number 42 upon 63, second one is 24 upon 63 and last is 14 upon 63. That means that, so 42 upon 63 means कौन सा नंबर है 42 upon 63? 2/3. 2/3. And then next 24 upon 63. 24 upon 63 which fraction number? 8 upon 21. Then next fraction number 14 upon 63 means 2/9. So this is the descending order of this fraction numbers. Okay, now this is the question number first. Now next question, this is your homework question. So we have to write in your homework notebook. Homework example is 1/5. Second number example 1/5, 3/7. Next is 7/10. So this is your homework example. Now let's solve the next question of this exercise. Next question is question number 3. Now the next question is question number 3. In a magic square, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and in each diagonal is same. Is this a magic square? Okay, here the one magic square is given. Then sum of these all rows, all columns and all diagonals, and then find the sum is, if the sum is all the rows sum is same, all the columns sum is same, and all the diagonal, that means that all the rows, all the columns and all the diagonals sum is same, then this is a magic square. If the all these row, columns and diagonals sum is not same, that's why, so then this square is not magic. अगर ये मैजिक स्क्वायर की रो, कॉलम और डायगोनल्स की सम सेम आती है तो वो मैजिक स्क्वायर है, अगर नहीं आती तो मैजिक स्क्वायर नहीं. हमें वही फाइंड करना है. So find the sum of first, second and third row. You know that this is a row. This is the first row. Then find the sum of this first row. What is the first row number? 4/11 plus 9/11 plus 2/11. And you know that denominator is same. We directly add this numerator. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 2, 15 upon 11. Now second row. So which is the second row? Now this is the first row. This is the second row. Now add the second row numbers, fraction number 3/11, 5/11 plus 7/11 is equal to 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 upon 11. Now third row sum is, you know that this is the third row, and add 8/11 plus 1/11 plus 6/11 is equal to 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 6 is 15 upon 11. That means that here all the rows sum is same. Now next find the sum of all the three columns. First column, second column, so first column is what? You know that this is the first column. Then add this first column fraction number 4/11 plus 3/11 plus last is 8/11. So 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 8 is 15 upon 11. Next column is this 9/11 plus next is 5/11 plus next is 1/11. So 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 15 upon 11. Now the next third column is this. So add this three fraction number 2/11 plus 7/11 plus 6/11 is equal to 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 6 is 15 upon 11. That means that all the three columns sum is same. Now next we find the diagonals sum. Now you know that this is a square. Now in this square there are only two diagonals. Okay, so first diagonal and second one is second diagonal. Now which is the first diagonal? This is the first diagonal. 4 by 11, 5 by 11 or 6 by 11. This is the first diagonal fraction number. 4 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 6 by 11 is equal to 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 6, 15 upon 11. This is the first diagonal. Now this is the second diagonal. So second diagonal fraction number 2 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 8 by 11 is equal to 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 8, again here 15 upon 11. Now you know that means that all the rows, all the columns and all the diagonal sum is same. So that's why this is a magic square. यहाँ पे सभी columns, row और diagonals की जो sum है वो same है. That's why this is a magic square. Now so we have to write here it is a magic square. It is a magic square. Now this is a magic square. Now so this is the question number 3 and the next question of this exercise we'll discuss in next video. Thank you.